Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I'm pre-recording this on March 26th, and this is part one of a Friday haul. Darren and I have a date day on Friday, and we live in a very small town, and we go to the next biggest town, which is, I don't know, 40 minutes either direction, 45 minutes, well, depending on traffic and road construction, but you know how that is. So I thought you might like to see a few of the things I got yesterday. Oh, I had so much fun. And we had Red Lobster, which was absolutely delicious. That's my cat who wants to come upstairs and be in the middle of all this. No, 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 kitty. So we went to, let's see, Dollar Tree and Walmart and Joann's and Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby was a lot of fun. Oh good, the puppy's here to help her with the door. I pick up these patterns when I go, and I get a lot of them if I'm interested. I got these because they have these shoe patterns in size that looks about Blythe size, and I think with a little bit of tweaking, it could be a Blythe size pattern. Now, here's the question. Can I put that together? I don't know. I have bare paws anymore, so we'd have to see. I have some dolls that I'm going to be customizing, and I bought, this is one, this is another, and this is a third for that customization. Oh yeah, and here's some more white. And white and I don't get along. I always make a mess of white. I am an animal person. I have dogs and cats and horses, and you know, I feed extra cats here, and I'm always petting them and picking them up and doing this and doing that. I'm a mess. Anyway, I also got this tiny print. I had taken a Blythe doll with me and held that up. Now, let's see how it'll look with this one. Not awful for the mini. Not awful. We'll make something up for her and see how that looks. And then I have a project going on that I needed some skinny white yarn. This wasn't as skinny as I was hoping, but I only need a little bit, and it was 99 cents, so that's what I got. They had beads half price, and I decided, I had bought some of these last week, but I decided that I wanted these pearlescent white beads, and then these were on clearance, and Darren's like, are you sure that's all you want? But I bought these. I should open one and show you. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but these beads are actually like a Blythe size and perfect for a midi Blythe button. They have two holes rather than just one, and they're a little oblong. So I got a couple more of those. I really like it. And this is for an upcoming collab for one of my Blythes. And I got one more thing, and it just makes me giggle. I am working on a couple dioramas, one for a mini size Blythe and another for a full size Blythe. Can you see that little toast with this little toaster? And evidently it goes down. Look at the price. Isn't that cute? So cute, couldn't resist. I'm going to take one of my little Blythes with me next time we go to Hobby Lobby and go to the miniatures and see what'll work for her and what won't. The 112 size does work for the most part for the 5-inch mini Blythes, but their head, the dolls are actually 4.5 inches, and their bodies are 2.5 inches from the neck to the feet. So some of it works for the 112 scale and some of it doesn't. And actually some of it will work for the Neo size Blythe. But you almost have to have a doll there. I am going to have a doll there to check. And I got these for upcoming customized Blythes that I'm doing. I love these. I'm going to decorate these, or that's the plan. We'll see what happens. All right, and then let's look at this. We went to the first Dollar Tree, and I buy these to put, we're doing a giveaway of a mini Blythe once a month, and these work out great for shipping and for storing for people. This looks a little Christmassy, but I like red all year. I don't see a problem with it. I was looking for more silver boxes. That's what I really need, silver boxes this size for my more gothy dolls, my Lilies and Fridays. But they had this gold, and I think it works. It's not exactly what I wanted, but it's better than flowers. Oh, and then I always get the dogs a treat while we're gone, and they greet us at the door. The little one greeted us at the door so quick I went ahead and got a treat out of the cabinet. Then we went to another Dollar Tree later, and they did not have any Lalaloopsy that I saw, but they did have these beautiful gold dresses. I was hoping this would fit a Blythe, but it's a little loose up here and it's a little long. But I have a lot of Barbies, so that is just not a problem. I had bought those before, and I just really like them. And for $1.25 now, which is a lot of increase. That's a 25% increase, but it is what it is. They had this skinny, nice, it's just pretty nice yarn. I probably should have got more colors, but I have so much yarn. But I thought Christmassy and St. Patrick's, and while those are over, they'll be back next year. Let's go ahead and open this one, Walmart. I didn't get a lot at Walmart yesterday. I really did not. Oh, that fabric though. I did get oh, here it is. Stuck it in here. I got this fabric at Walmart, and I don't know if you saw Tammy Polly's Peace Craft dolls with Tammy Polly. She just made an absolutely gorgeous gown for a Barbie doll on her channel for our Oscar red carpet collab we just did with Beth Ramston and J Dolls UK. And I love this fabric, and she's right. You don't see all the sparkle on camera. It's lovely. I also found this in white a few days ago. This was less than $4 a yard. They also had orange, but the orange did not have the high sparkle to it. I like orange. A lot of people don't. I'm putting it in here so the glitter doesn't get on my other fabrics. I found this cute little My Life Yorkie. I have a Yorkie, a very nice, correct Yorkie. And I wanted this, I'm thinking, for my 24-inch Amaya Rain doll. We'll see. I certainly have a lot of 18-inch dolls. They were giving these out at the door. I thought, you know what? I paint and do all kinds of things, and it has a double. So yeah, I'll take them. Then the fun things. I went to Hobby Lobby first. Love their fabric. Like their prices better than Joann's. But look at this. Absolutely love that. I'm using this for an upcoming collab that's coming faster and faster and faster. And I got this. I really like it. It was very expensive though, but I wish I could have gotten 2 or 3 yards of that, because I've thought of like 18 other things I want to do. And then back in their clearance, they had these earrings. Darren actually found these for me. And I was choosing between a couple. He's like, get them both. It's like, I gotta pull back on this stuff. I gotta pull back. So I only got the one. Do I wish I would have got the others? I will. They also had patterns. I'm gonna come around and show you these. They had patterns, and if you're interested in doll patterns, you gotta buy them when you see them. So if you're looking at one that you think you might want, buy it, because I went to get some that I had bought in the past. They do not have, and they are having fewer and fewer Barbies. Now the 18-inch they have quite a selection of. I didn't have this one. I can't say I'm crazy about this, but again, if you see it, buy it. And I do like that train. There's some cute things here. I like this little top. It's good. Anyway, I got this one because mostly I wanted the collar. They had this one that I wasn't going to get, and I thought, you know what? They had one. And I thought, buy it when you see it. I got a couple more of these. I'm going to use these. Some of these I'm using as gifts. This particular pattern I have used, And while it says it is for 11.5-inch doll, I'm telling you, she'd have to be wider. I'm going to make this and try it on my chubby Blythe because they are big. I made this top and it fit my 16-inch Barbie, my Dreamtopia Barbie. So these run large, but it's not a bad thing because Rainbow High is a little thicker than Barbie. It's a useful pattern. These are for 14-inch dolls, and I got extra of these because I'm hoping to do a collab. And this is 14-inch, and what I'm using these for, or hoping to use these for, not only for the 14-inch dolls, but for my 13-inch chubby Blythe. With a little bit of tweaking, I think I can. This one was 18-inch, and I think I got enough to do if I wanted to ask someone to do a collab with me on those. This is actually a gift, and I got myself one. And I have this one, but they had it, and they had 3. And when you're buying patterns, what you should look for is, what does it offer? Like this one doesn't offer too much. While it offers the, the wedding dresses and the cape, and I really do like the cape, it's pretty redundant. It's got the skirts and the same 2 basic tops. But this pattern has pants, top, jacket, dress, skirt, and a vest. And I think that little purse, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, and the little purse. So what you want is, what does this offer, most for bang for your buck? This is a good one too because it offers the dress, skirt, 2 different tops, the cape and pants, and the shorter pants, which I think they look stupid. I think that's an ugly outfit, but okay. So I picked these up. I'm really happy about these. I'm going to go through these this morning. I am going to use one of these patterns for my 24-inch Amaya Rain and see if I can tweak that for her. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please come back tomorrow and watch part 2. When we got home, the mail had come. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.